Or snowblower. The problem is down here you've got an edge, a scraper bar that usually gets wore out. What I did is I took some 1/4 inch steel and cut it to length, bolted it in, and then put a back plate on it that sandwiches it in as well. So now I've got a scraper blade that's like these snow plows have. Nice and strong. That sucker will never wear out. I welded on a side piece and right on the ground, and that sucker worked great. Just tried it out. They want like $55 for that little 1 inch scraper blade. This sucker will last forever.